If you're looking for a gallery on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then you can use the Photos app that looks more or less like this. We can actually find two pre-installed Photos apps on our OPPO Reno 15 Pro. One of them is made by OPPO and the other one is made by Google. And I know that many people don't really like that Google app. They don't really even consider this app as a gallery, but this one, this Photos app made by OPPO, looks definitely more like a gallery. And it also has all the necessary features that you might need from a gallery. You can of course take a look at your photos, you can edit them as well. We have the customization of these photos, which is really simple. We can of course zoom in and zoom out in order to have a different view. We can also switch to albums in here if you want to have like different categories for these photos. And of course, you probably noticed that it resembles the gallery on iOS. It looks pretty similar. So yeah, I think I can recommend you using this Photos app over here. I think it's just slightly better than the one that we have provided by Google. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.